how I made this warm soup. So basically you use a blender and blend up the ingredients that you'll see in a minute, really for a long time, so that it's kind of warmish. And you can garnish with anything. Here I've garnished with tomatoes. You can put cucumbers, you can put avocados, you can put whatever ingredients, but the basic is, as you'll see in the recipe, make sure you have something sweet in it, something salty, something savory, yeah, things like that. So I'm going to taste it. I like it. I would add more garlic because I'm a garlic lover. So when you bite together with the tomatoes, it really goes well. And this is an easy way to if you're tired of chewing, if you eat a lot of raw foods, if you're tired of chewing your food, this is a nice way of incorporating as much greens as possible, because greens are vital for our health, as you all know. So that is how you do it. So yeah, this is it, and enjoy the recipe. Bye. Hi guys, this is the kale soup recipe. So we are doing it raw style. These are purple kale. I just got them today, actually yesterday, and I was so excited. I've never seen them before, so I thought, ooh, this is a nice one to make a recipe with. That's just the curly kale. You can use a regular kale to make this. I buy these ones. I've gotten them from an organic market, so I'm using organic kale. I bet if you use non-organic, might be slightly on the more bitter side. So we are doing an onion, a white onion, one lime, and one orange. It looks like a tangerine, but it's an orange. Some dates, you put as much as you want, garlic as much as you want, that's salt, and that's cayenne pepper. And then we also have we'll put all of them in the blender. We also have the cashew nuts, so we're going to remove the stem of the kale. That one will not put in the soup. That's what we do. So I'll just wash that up, and there you go. We washed them and removed all the stem. So that's how you're supposed to remove them. Don't put any stem in there. It won't be nice to put. So you put there. So if you want it more sweet, put more dates. Okay, that is the, you chop up the onions. This is the cashews. Make sure the cashews are, you drain off the water and you put some water in the blender so that you can make it easier to blend and make it more creamy. That's how you're gonna do it. Okay, now that is it. Then I decided, let me add an extra avocado for more creaminess. And if you find this not too sweet, you can adjust according to your own tastes. Find it not too creamy, add more avocado. So it's up to you. Just those are the basics of what you need. So that is the kale soup. Make sure it is warm. You blend it until the blender feels slightly on the warmer side, so it's not like you're drinking a cold soup. It has to be warm. So because me, I like it warm. So yeah, so like it that, you get as much nutrients as you can from your veggies. So you can garnish with tomatoes, olives, cucumbers, cilantro, anything you like, avocado. That's how you do it. So that is my kale soup, people. So you try it, let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more recipes and videos, and like it if you like, and see you in the next one. Bye.